Welcome everyone, my name is Diana Leon. I am a student of degree in English at UNAD, and this video is for the course Research Project. And the first step, I want to explain you a little what is a research project. So as we suppose the research itself, its objective is to find a scientific or theoretical foundation from the different reflections and analysis. That is, we speak about the educational research. We refer to the analytical to reflective process of educational work or education. We try to analyze the pedagogical practice with the aim and purpose of improving teaching practice and training process, identifying problems and seeking different solutions based on theory and practice. This is the intention. This is a reflexive process when we try to find different solutions for different problems, in this case specifically educational problems. Okay, so during this period or this semester, I try to understand how we can link the process of learning English with the formation of critical thinking and social values. I think it is important. So the introduction for my project is the human beings are normally curious by nature. We want to understand everything that surrounds us. Throughout the human history, it has been surrounded by the different questions and an unstable needs to find answers. We want to know everything. Since time immemorial, different theories and explanations of natural and social phenomena have been proposed, different theories and different explanations that have been brought from research, analysis, and observations. And so I think it is important in this moment try to understand why or what can do the English teacher for the critical thinking and the values, because the society needs that. And okay, the objects for my project was review the importance of integrating the bilingual training process and comprehension and social training in order to improve our society and solve many different current problems, and do something different observations and different surveys, different process to understand how we can link the bilingualism with the training and critical thinking and values. In general, the results of the survey or different observations show us the people have not a very positive perception of our educational system. The importance of integrating the curriculum and including the values is very markable in this survey. Including English in the articulation is very notable, because education it's not it can focus only in academic process, leaving aside the social problems. The other one of the aspects that could allow education to improve is quality standards and generate a true social impact in the review of the crisis, and it is going through as well as the historical background and generate more specific, more successful extra rates. As in conclusion, the people think it is necessary to rethink in other strategies and in other methods that can allow us to supply the needs of the students, because as you know, the pandemic changed many things and now we have another reality, so we need to think about that needs and try to integrate the English training with the social problems, because it is important as a teacher you have a different commitments with the society. So it is really important that you can try to find the balance between the English and the social problems. So that is all, and thank you so much for attending my video.